No excuses, just results, let's go. Stronger every rep, let it show. Train the same, don't remain the same. Hustle for that muscle, elevate your game. Sword today, strong tomorrow's game. This grind is fire, feel the flame, sweat now, shine later. That's the vibe, push past the limits, feel alive. Every lift, every step we thrive. It's beast mode, baby, can't be denied. Conquer the weights, the beast within. No excuses, let the strength begin. Let the strength begin, let the strength begin, let the strength begin, let the strength begin. No excuses, no regrets, we go gym. One more rep, let the strength begin. Conquer the weights, the beast within. Beast mode activated, let's win! Your body won't go where the mind won't push. Feel the burn, don't stop, let's crush. Pain today is strength you can trust. Every sweat drop builds, it's a must. Lift heavy, love harder, stay on track. The pain fades, but glory lasts. Leg day hits, there's no going back. Chasing greatness, full attack. Sword today, strong tomorrow's gain. Push it harder, feel the flame. Feel the flame, feel the flame, feel the flame. Stronger every rep, elevate your soul. Lift it, grind it, let's hit the goal. Sweat now, shine later, we control. This is our anthem, feel the roll. Feel the roll, feel the roll, feel the roll. No excuses, no regrets, we go gym. One more rep, let the strength begin. Conquer the weights, the beast within. Beast mode activated, let's win. We don't stop, we don't quit, we go gym, this is it. It's now or never, don't you wait. Time to push, time to elevate. No pain, no gain, that's the creed. Fuel the fire, feel the speed. Your mind is the weapon, your body's the steed. Unleash the beast, exceed the need. Weights clanging, heart is banging. Every rep, the dream is hanging. Stronger, faster, no delaying. This is war, we keep slaying. Lift it high, don't hesitate. Chase the grind, dominate. Lift or leave it, this is your shot. Power through, give it all you've got. Feel the burn, embrace the fight. We go gym all day, all night. Failure's not an option, we don't quit. Set the pace, make every rep hit. Rise like a champion, feel the grit. This is your moment, own it, commit. Leg day, chest day, we don't care. Pushing limits everywhere. Heavy bars and heavy stairs. Every lift declares you're rare. No retreat, no looking back. Step it up, stay on track. Grind now, shine later, that's the call. Every struggle makes you stand tall. Leave it all here, give your all. You're unstoppable, you'll never fall. Lift or leave it, this is your shot. Power through, give it all you've got. Feel the burn, embrace the fight. We go gym all day, Lights down, sweat drips. Victory feels like this. We go gym, never miss.
Train insane or remain the same. Beast mode activated. Push past your limits. They're only in your mind. Push past your limits. They're only in your mind.
Heady mind for the kings they got. Broken hearts come about the golden bronze. If someone's easy to get, it's like the God of advance our life. You know I'm live singing of the night. Where Savior is light for the in your mind. Now I'm hating and offer night. The God of advance our life. Kind of advance our life. Kind of advance our life.
Push past your limits. They're only in your mind.
And like these kids, they mention me like cramps, since the stress swings upon the tree. We go Jim! We go Jim! Now!
We go Jim!
chill. We go chill. We go chill.